Hi you guys, Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on the video. I do appreciate it. I know you didn't have to. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, and hit the ring bell, and I will support you back. You know I will. If this is not your first time with me, then hello. Hey everybody. Everybody's having a good day, night, or whenever you're watching me. But I was tasked with a subscriber, a friend, to actually show something and do something on my channel, a product that I have never shown before, that I have had for a long time, that is unique. Yeah. So I said, you know what, I'm up for the challenge and I know exactly what I'm going to do. So, and it's going to require me doing lip swatches. So I do have some like lip balm on my lips right now. My lips are like telling me no, but my mind is telling me yes, and so yes. So this is something you guys are interested in. You know the drill. Keep on watching. I'll be right back. Okay, so drum roll please. The product I decided to use or to show on my channel and actually demo for you guys that I have had for a very long time, that I have never shown on my channel, that is unique, is I have the Besame Snow White lip collection. It does come with 7. It comes with 7 lippies because it is the 1937 collection, the 7 Dwarfs mini lipstick kit, colors from the mines. So it's super cool, and this is what the packaging looks like close up. You guys would never believe how much I paid for this. I paid $5 for this. And the reason why is because my friend Just Ann, if you're not subscribe to her, which I know you are, she is the box queen, but she actually told me about this and said, you know, or told a lot of people, actually, I believe it wasn't just me. I don't think it was just me. It wasn't just me. But she told a lot of people about it, and she was like, hey you guys, Besame is having a sale. Besame is a brand that they have a lot of vintage style stuff. Their stuff's expensive. It is. It's really expensive. So anyways, when I saw that I could get this for $5, I was like, mine. You know, I mean, it's really, for me, it's more of like a collector's piece. I'll just have to show you. I'll just have to show you guys. So yeah, so this is what it looks like on the inside. And the back of the packaging looks like this. It actually shows you each one of the names, and it gives you all the information. And those are actually the colors right there. So we have Sleepy, Dark, Bashful, Happy, Grumpy, Sneezy, Dopey. So I'm actually going to try these on today. Now, I do know that one of these lippies are a little bit greasy. I don't know. Let me just stop talking and pull this thing out. These are very small. They're just mini lipsticks. So they are 5 ounces. And they have a 24-month shelf life, which I'll be coming up on that soon. Okay, so I kind of have them in order as to how, I don't know how they got out of order because I would never really mess them. But I kind of have them in order as to how they're on the back. So this is what they look like. They're actually really cute. The packaging is super cute. Each one of them is very unique. It has each one of the 7 Dwarfs on them, and oh my gosh, you guys, the 7 Dwarfs are so cute. They're so cute. They're like the silhouettes of the 7 Dwarfs. You guys can see that. And then it has the name of them on one side. So like, for example, this one is Sleepy. It's gonna be hard for you guys to see it. My rings are always turning different. It's gonna be hard for you guys to see it because it's like a shimmering thing. But it says that's Sleepy. And then it has the silhouette of Sleepy, Snow White, and then it has a bird or something to that matter. I believe that they all have different little things on them. That one has a flower. Yeah. Anyways, so the first one is Dopey, like I said, and this is what he looks like. And he has actually an acorn on him. So yeah, they're all different. They really are. They're all different. So this is the problem that I have with these. Alright, this is like super, super oily. Alright. Like you guys can see the oil on my hand. This particular color, this is like a white, like shimmery color. This is what it looks like. They're all kind of shaped like this. And, you know, they're all just kind of like, this is like what you get, right? Because they're minis, and that's fine. But look at this. So I'm going to swatch this on my lips, and then I'm going to take this off my lips, and we're just going to go down the line with them because I think they're just too cute. And like I said, if you're a Disney lover, if you got these for the $5, oh my goodness, wasn't that such a great deal? I think it's probably about a year ago. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this on my lips. Oh, and they smell amazing. Honestly, I really do think that Sleepy or Dopey, I think Dopey was meant to be more of a lip topper because it's super iridescent. So, and I mean, I really didn't think about that until I started putting it on, but that's what I think. That's my opinion. So I'm going to wipe this off, but oh my gosh, they smell so good. Like when I put it on my lips, like it's like the smell that you get when you put like cocoa powder on your face, or I mean, it's just so good. I'm just doing that all the whole time. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this one off. Still have some shimmer on there, but it's okay. So the next one is going to be Sneezy, and he is just adorable. Sneezy. And he has a, I think, a flower. Yes, he has a flower. So you guys can see. And he is a very, very dark color. So I'm going to put him on my lips. Okay, that is a beautiful, 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 like dark, like marine, like super vampy color, and I think it's gorgeous. It probably wasn't a good idea for me to put that on first, but it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off. So the next one is Grumpy, and he is just super, super cute. He has a little bird on him. You guys can see the bird right there. Grumpy, the silhouette of Grumpy. And he is a, like, I would say like an orangey red. So let's see what he looks like on the lips. That's a pretty one. That's definitely a pretty one. I like that one a lot. So far, the Dopey one is the only one that I'm having the problem with, like, the greasiness from, and it's probably because of the fact that it is like a lip topper and it's really super iridescent and super shimmery, and that's probably what it is. So maybe I didn't give these a really good chance. Maybe I was just assuming things, but anyways, we're gonna take this one off. Okay, so the next one we have is Happy, and Happy is actually, from what I can see, Happy is, he's got a flower on him. There's Happy's silhouette. Look, you can definitely tell that's Happy. He is actually a super, super like corally, like bright orangey color. So let's see what he looks like. Happy is definitely more creamy. That's a beautiful color. I actually like it. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I really do like it. That is pretty. I like that one. And it's a little bit more of a creamy like texture feeling than the other ones that I put on. But this one actually felt really nice going on. And it's just a beautiful color. I love this color. And I thought it was going to be really, really dark, but it's not. It's actually very beautiful. I like it. So let's move on. Okay, so the next one is Sleepy. And Sleepy looks like this. He has a bird on him on the side. And Sleepy is Sleepy is pink, y'all. Sleepy's pink. Let's see what Sleepy looks like. I like Sleepy. Sleepy is Barbie pink. Sleepy coming through with the Barbie pink. I like it. I do. I like it. I think it's really pretty. I think it's really pretty for the summer and the spring. So that's a gorgeous color. So we're going to move on. Okay, so next we have Bashful. I wonder what is your favorite 7 Dwarf? Leave that down at the bottom. Let me know. He has a bird on him. And Bashful is, ooh, not bashful at all. It's actually a really pretty pink. Ooh, I'm loving the pink. Loving the pink. Bashful is a bright pink. I love Bashful. It's very pretty. I love it. I love that. This is definitely a color that I would wear every day. The only colors that I really don't wear any day, like right now, is like the dark vampy color, and that's just because of the season. But otherwise, I love all these colors so far. So this one is beautiful, though. I have to say, this is probably my favorite so far. Okay, and last but not least is the Boss, and that is Doc. And he is just too cute for words. I really love Doc. Doc is always one of my favorites. He has a flower on him. But Doc is, ooh, Doc is a nude. Doc? You sneaky little Doc. Let's see what Doc looks like. Okay, you guys already know what I'm going to say. Doc is my absolute fave. I love this color. This is gorgeous. I love this color. It's so pretty because it's actually like a true nude. It's not like it doesn't have like any type of like berry tone to it. If anything, it might have a little bit more of like a warmer coral tone to it, but it's so pretty. I like it. Doc is the winner of the 7 Dwarfs for me as far as the colors, and I absolutely love the Bashful and the Sleepy. I love the pinks. I love that orangey color. I would love the Dopey lip topper if it wasn't so greasy and giving me so many troubles. So anyways, so yeah, so this is the product that I have, and then once again, this is how they all look in their little spot. It's so cute. The carton is so cute. It's got these little flowers, and oh, it's just so pretty. The silhouette of her, and then all the silhouettes of the guys down here. It says "Get ready to be admired" on the front, which is really pretty. I never noticed that. But yeah, when I tried to put this back in the side here, I always had an issue with it because unless I had them laying in there perfectly where they wouldn't move, they would go like on top of each other. So let's see if I can do it right this time. I got it right. I got it right. I got it right. Okay, so yes, this is a really pretty set. And like I said, for me, this is more so a collector's piece because this isn't something I'm going to pull out and use every day. It's really not. But are the colors pretty? Yes, they are. And I'm so glad that I got, you know, that I went into this and I looked in here and I swatched these because now I know what they look like. I know, you know, a little bit more about them, and really pretty. And when I decide I want to pull them out and I want my lips to smell like chocolate vanilla goodness, I will put them on. but these, they're very beautiful. And you guys, for $5. If you don't know about the Besame website, go on there and have a look at some of the stuff that they have. They have a lot of like vintage makeup, you know, replicas and non-replicas, and it's quite pricey. It's quite pricey, and I don't remember what the regular price on this was. At the time, I know I saw it and I was like, what? I love it. I think it's gorgeous. So thank you, sweetheart, for challenging me to pull something out that I have never showed on my channel that is unique and something that I will be able to try on my channel at the same time. So if you guys like this video or like videos like this, let me know down below, and let me know if you have this or not. I know I've said that 100 times, but let me know if you have it. Let me know what you think about it, if you had any of issues like with the one color, and what's your favorite Dwarf, and what is your favorite Dwarf lippy color that I tried today. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit ring the bell. I will support you back, you know I will. I love you guys, but I will not argue with you. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.